So, why are you here?
It's a crime scene?
Yeah. You do blood spatter.
So?
So? There's no blood here.
What was that?
Yeah. There's no blood in or on or near the body at all. It's the weirdest thing you ever saw.
Stopped by a mailbox, and it all came crashing back. My mom.
Dexter! Where are you, you silly little bear? Oh my goodness! You surprised me, you sneaky little bear. Hey, where could your brother be hiding? Daddy's right there! Hey, Viney! You weren't supposed to tell her.
You remember now?
Tiny.
You always had trouble saying Brian.
I have a brother.
A real brother. None of this foster bullshit. We're blood brothers. Through birth and death. Watching Mom die? It's amazing that we survived that, isn't it? Chainsaw, flying body parts, the blood, 2 days, sitting in blood before they found us. You were young enough to block it out. I had never forgotten the day that we were born. Exactly. Tell me something. The victims. Are they all killers?
Yes.
Who am I?
A killer. You only ever wanted to set free.
Setting free, little brother. Be what you